Hey everyone, this is Saurabh. Welcome to Python Project YouTube channel. In this channel, you get many interesting Python project as a beginner. इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे how to make live digital clock through Python coding like this. So let's close this and so start करने से पहले अगर आप इस वीडियो को like and share नहीं किए तो जल्दी से like and share कर दीजिए. And if you have any doubt, so feel free to comment down. And अगर आप new viewer हैं, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notify our every video. तो चलिए start करते हैं अपना कोडिंग वर्क. इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हमें दो मॉड्यूल की जरूरत पड़ेगी. फर्स्ट Tkinter and second time. We don't need to install both modules because Tkinter and time is a standard library of Python and it is pre-installed in Python. तो इसके लिए हमें इंस्टॉल नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So let's create one Python file and new Python file named as digital clock and here is our Python file is ready. So let's increase the size and write one comment digital clock. Let's importing our module from Tkinter. We are importing everything and then from time we are importing strf method. Yes, and so let's create a new window for digital clock equal to tk and calling our main loop. Let's run this and yes, this is our new window for digital clock. Let's close this and now we are going to give a clock title, clock dot title and title as digital clock. Let's again run this and yes, it will prompt as digital clock. So close this again and अभी हम लोग न्यू विंडो को लेबल करेंगे and defining one label variable label equal to label and clock comma font is equal to Arial 168 bold comma BG stand for background color named as blue comma and FG stand for foreground color, give it white and again we are pack our label window label dot pack and in the pack anchor equal to center, comma, fill equal to both, and again comma, expand equal to yes. And now defining our time function, def time and string. This string is a variable, and call our strf function. Format of our digital clock, percentage stand for R, %m stand for minute, and %s stand for second, and %p stand for AM or PM. And the label, calling our config method, label dot config text equal to string, and then label dot after, and after 100 milliseconds, comma time, and call our time function. So this is done our Python coding as a digital clock. Let's run this code, and you can see this is our digital clock, and we can increase the size, yes. And here let's understand the code. For understand the code, anchor is a center method, or you can see this. Let's run again. Anchor is this is the anchor part, because it will prompt in a center, so that's why we are in anchor. It will gives us center, and fill equal to both means, let's run again. Fill equal to both means this is the fill equal to both. It means this part and this is filling with blue color. That's why we'll give us fill equal to both, and let's remove this fill equal to both. And run this, and again you can see this. What is the mean of fill equal to both? Means this and this foreground color, or this filling with blue color. And again close this. Let's write comma, yeah, and expand equal to yes means, let's remove this again and run. Expand equal to yes, it means here we are not expanding. Yes, you can see this, and here we cannot expand this. You can see this. and if we are giving expand equal to yes, then see the differences. Run this. Yes, yeah, it will expanding. Let's close this. And this is why we are giving 100, because 100 millisecond it will run our digital. Let's give is 1000 or 10,000. Again run. Yes, you can see this here. It is not changing. It will change in 10,000 millisecond. Yeah, and let's close this. Give us 10 millisecond. It will change. Yes, here. This is the differences of milliseconds. And let's close this and give it by default 100. And here this is hour, minute and second, but this is for AM or PM. Let's remove this and run this. You can see this here, hour, minute and second, but AM or PM is not visible. So let it be as AM or PM. Run this. Yeah, PM. So that's it from this tutorial. I hope you all are enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.